George, your professional accounting teacher. Before you continue with this video, please try to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Georgian Theory Concepts. Alright. Okay, now let's get started. This is a question on budgeting, okay? And specifically, it is on the application of regression analysis, which is one of the techniques in quantitative techniques in performance management. All right, regression analysis, the application. So it has to do with trend, that's time series analysis and trend, all right, using the regression analysis method. So this is the application. So let's get started. As I always advise, you always start with the requirement of the question. What does the question say? Please pause the video and read. Okay, the question says, forecast the sales of the 4 quarters required using the 10 period observation results. Then the B part says that prepare similar forecast based on the last 5 period observation. Then explain which forecasting basis produce the better forecasting. So all these questions, the information based on this question must have been given in the main question. So what I would advise is to pause the video and go through the question. Pause the video and go through this question. Pause the video. Okay, I think you must have done that. All right, having read through the question, you have been given the 10 quarters, okay? 10, according to the question, the 10 periods. The 10 period has been given from 2016 to 2018, as you can see, and it starts from 3rd quartile 2016. So 2017, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. It's full. 2018, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. And the requirement is this. The requirement says that it is required to make a forecast of sales for quarter 3 and 4 in 2019. For quarter 3 and 4 in 2019, and for quarter 1 and 2 in 2020. Okay, we have to make forecasts. All right. Now we are also told that on average, quarter 1 and 3 are 5% and 6% respectively above the trend, and quarter 2 and 4 are respectively 2% and 9% below the trend. Some preliminary calculations have been given. You have been given the linear regression line, the slope, that's the value of B, has been given. The intercept, the value of A, has been given. The coefficient of determination, that's the square root of correlation, is being given. Okay, all right. Then what is being given? Then we have to look. We now use Y. We use this equation now to find our forecast for quarter 3 and 4 of 2009. So let us get started. So you come to your solution, you write A. Take note of this. A, our solution. All right, then we have here. Okay, and the sale trend is given as Y equals to A plus BX. So please you can watch my video on how to use regression analysis in time series, okay? All right, so you understand how this is being done properly. So we have, the question says the requirement is 2019 quarter 3, 2019 quarter 4, and 2020 quarter 1, 2020 quarter 2. That's the requirement. Based on the requirements of the question, it is required to make a forecast of sales for quarter 3 and 4 in 2019, 1 and 2 in 2020, and that's what we have. That's what I've written here. All right. Now, what is the trend point? From the question, we have 2018. That's 3, 4. All right. This is 10. So when you have 2019, supposing you have 2019, class, I want you to follow me, 2019. You know, after 2018, what comes next is 2019, quarter one, quarter two. But these ones are not required. So for quarter one, the trend point, you see that for 2018, the trend point is 10. But for 2019, if you look at this, we start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10. That's 10 points. Okay? So for 2019, it's supposed to be 11 and 12. So do you get it? But these are not required. So what we are required is 3. So what do you think will come after 12? Yes? What do you have? 13. That's good. What do you have here? 14. So this is 2020 quarter one. So this one starts with 15. The trend point here is what? 16. Alright? Then our Y value now. What is A? A has been given to be the intercept, which is 10,472.3. Okay? So our Y value will be, we have 10,472.33 plus our B. Our B is the slope. So what's the slope? 8, okay, in the bracket 82.67 multiplied by level of activity, which is X. These are trend point, which is X. Then multiplied by 13. Then this will give us 11,000 from your calculator. Those, if you have a Casio calculator, to give us 11,547, okay? So students take note of that. Then you continue for B, you have 10,472.33 plus open bracket 82, which is the slope, 6, 7 times what? 14. Okay, and this from your calculator you have 11,630. So when you work this out as a PM student, you should be able to get the correct calculation for this. And the last one will give us 11,795. Okay, so the A part of the question has been done, which says that forecast the sales for the first quarter required using the 10-period observation. This is the 10-period observation. Okay, but don't forget, they said on average, quarter 1 and 3 are 5% and 6% respectively above the trend. So the adjusted seasonality, that's the seasonality adjusted forecast as follows. Alright, so to get that, so you write, so for year 2019, the quarter, this is quarter, for quarter 3, you have been told in the question, look at, you have been told in the question that for quarter 1 and 3, alright, there are 5% and 6% above, 5% and 6%, what, above, are you with me? Alright, above. Okay, so what do you have here? We have the trend, which is 11,547, which is above. You increase this by, for quarter 3. Quarter 3 is 6%, okay? And this is quarter 3. Quarter 3, okay? And this one is quarter 3, you increase. To increase that, you say 0.6, alright? So to increase this figure, just say 1.0.6, and the forecast sales becomes 12,240. Okay? Please, you can watch my video on time series analysis using regression analysis, okay? There's a video on that so that you understand this, just the application we are doing here. Now for 2019 quarter 4, the sales is 11,630. Then you multiply this. Then for quarter 4, quarter 4 is below the trend. It's 9. Quarter 4 is 9 what? 9%. So you multiply by, that's 100 minus 9, will give us 0.91. 0.91. That's 100 minus 9. That's 91. 0.91. So when you multiply this, it's going to give you, multiply 10, 5, 8, 3. Okay? Then for 2020, quarter one is to be increased by 5%. Is to be increased by 5%. So you take this figure, okay? Quarter one, take this figure. You have 11712, and it is to be multiplied by 5%. So to be increased by 5%, that is, you add 5% to 100. So it will give you this equals to, then when you multiply class, what do you have? We have 12,298. Okay? Then lastly, for 2020 quarter 2, what do you have? The trend is 11795. Then you multiply, look at, for quarter 2 is to be reduced, that's below the trend by 2% below. So you say 100 minus 2. 100 minus 2 will give you 0.98. Okay? That's 19. So you are reducing this by 2%, and the answer is 11,559. 11,559. Alright. So our question A has been answered, which says that forecast the sales of the 4 quarters required. The first quarter required, so it is required to make a forecast of sales of quarter 3 and 4 in 2019 and quarter 1 and 2 in 2020. And the sales has been forecast. Alright, class. So I'm going to stop here. In the next video, I'm going to continue by looking at the B part. They said prepare a similar forecast based on the last 5 period of observation, based on the last 5, which is this result of the last 5 period of observation. So we are going to use this to determine our trend. Alright, so if you love this video, please do share with your friends, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remain your lecturer, your teacher, George Obishisi. Thank you. Bye for now.